Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Education Allowing. Let's fly with success. Today is 13 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exams. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Education Allowing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. As per this was our previous question, so we have to answer it first. Our first question was, who is selected as new chairman of ICC, International Cricket Council? Monu Sahni, Sourav Ganguly, Craig Barclays, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option C, Craig Barclays. Recently, New Zealand's Craig Barclays has been elected as the new chairman of International Cricket Council. Okay, and the CEO of ICC is Manu Sahni. Remember, CEO of ICC is Manu Sahni, and the headquarters of the ICC is situated in Dubai, UAE, United Arab Emirates. UAE in Dubai. Okay, Dubai in UAE. Our second question was, who is appointed as new engineer in chief of Indian Army? Harpal Singh, Abhijit Kumar, Naman Gupta, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Lieutenant General Harpal Singh. So option A is correct here. Recently, Lieutenant General Harpal Singh has appointed as the new engineer in chief of Indian Army. He is presently the Director General of BRO. Do you know the abbreviation of BRO? Abbreviation of BRO is Border Road Organization. Recently, the Director General of BRO is appointed as the new engineer in chief of Indian Army. Name is Harpal Singh. Remember, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of our today's session is, Justice Vijay Krishna Patel has been appointed as chairperson of Human Rights Commission of which state? Odisha, West Bengal, Rajasthan, or option D, Tamil Nadu? The correct answer here is option A, Odisha. Recently, the former Odisha High Court Judge Justice Vijay Krishna Patel has been appointed as the chairperson of the Odisha Human Rights Commission, OHRC. Okay, you can see here the image of Justice Vijay Krishna Patel. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. How many Indian universities are in the QS Asia University Ranking 2021? 100, 107, 110, or option D, 200? The correct answer here is 107 universities. Recently, the QS Asia University Ranking 2021 have been released, and a total of 107 Indian universities or Indian institutes have been selected among the 650 university ranking. Okay, among the 650 university, 107 universities of India is in the QS Asia University Ranking 2021. And IIT Bombay is in the 47 position. IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi is in the 50 rank, and IIT Madras is achieved the 56 position. Okay, next question. Russia's COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V will be produced in India by which firms? Natco Pharm, Maclon, Hetero, or option D, none of these? Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is option C, Hetero. So option C is correct here. The Russia's COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V will be produced in India by generic pharmaceuticals firms Hetero. Remember the name. Okay, Russia is in news. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency of Russia, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, next question. The Chief Minister of which state inaugurated the Organ Donor Memorial? Rajasthan, Bihar, Sikkim, or option D, Jharkhand? The correct answer here is Rajasthan's Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Recently, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot inaugurated the Organ Donor Memorial. Okay, Rajasthan is in news. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot, and Kalraj Mishra. Kalraj Mishra is the governor of Rajasthan. Okay. Next question. Who has conferred with the Global Stroke Service Award by World Stroke Organization? By World Stroke Organization. Arun Goswami, Jairaj T. Pandian, E.J. Benjamin, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B. Here, Jairaj T. Pandian. Recently, Jairaj T. Pandian, the principal of Christian Medical College, remember, CMC, Christian Medical College, was conferred with the Global Stroke Service Award by the World Stroke Organization. This question is very much important. Please try to remember these questions. The name is the principal of CMC, Jairaj T. Pandian, got the award by World Stroke Organization. Next question. Which state chief minister expanded the state-run Swasthya Sathi health scheme to cover the entire population of state? Maharashtra, Karnataka, West Bengal, or option D, Jharkhand? Can you guess the answer here? Swasthya Sathi is the scheme of West Bengal. So option C is correct here. Recently, the West Bengal's chief minister Mamata Banerjee expanded the state-run Swasthya Sathi health scheme to cover the entire population of the state. Okay, West Bengal is in news. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. What is the rank of Belgium in FIFA ranking 2020? First, second, third, or option D, 4? Remember, Belgium is in the top position, is in the first position. Okay, Belgium is in the first position in the FIFA ranking 2020, and our country India is in the 104 position. Okay, Belgium is in news. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Currency of the Belgium is Euro, and Prime Minister of the Belgium is Sophia Wilms. Remember, Sophia Wilms. And the national sports, obviously it is football. Football is the national sports of the Belgium, and also in the FIFA ranking Belgium is in the top position. Next question. Question number 8. Roch Marc Christian Kabore will serve another 5 years as the president of which country? Elected as the president of which country? Brazil, Burkina Faso, Niger, or option D, none of these? Can you guess the answer here? Try to answer. Answer here is option B, Burkina Faso. Recently, the president Roch Marc Christian Kabore will serve another 5 years as the president of Burkina Faso. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Who will inaugurate the 4th edition of the UEF, United Economic Forum, and UEF World Summit along with Trade Expo? K. Palaniswamy, Sarbanand Sonowal, Banwari Lal Purohit, option D, none of these. Who will inaugurate this event? The correct answer here is the Chief Minister of the Tamil Nadu. Who? E.K. Palaniswamy. Okay, K. Palaniswamy inaugurate this event. The 4th edition of the United Economic Forum World Summit along with Trade Expo is scheduled to be held from December 4. It is 2020. Okay, December 4, 2020, and this event will be going to be inaugurated by K. Palaniswamy. Next question. Last question of the today's session. This is question number 10. Who won the Women's Big Bash League WBBL? The answer of the question number 10 is option B, Sydney Thunder. Recently, Sydney Thunder beat Melbourne Star by 7 wickets and lifted the Women's Big Bash League WBBL for the second time. Okay, for the second time. Sydney Thunder, remember the name. Okay, I hope you got the answer now in a detailed analysis of the today's current affairs. Okay, as per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is India's GDP contract by how much percentage according to NSO? Our second question is Cambridge Dictionary has named which word as word of the year 2020? Okay, please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, and if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Share it in your Facebook and WhatsApp educational related group if you like the session, and those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you, have a great day.